Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, January 28th, 2025, we're providing an in-depth analysis of Meta stock, considering both current events and technical chart data. Recent news headlines suggest positive sentiment towards Meta, with analysts forecasting strong Q4 2024 earnings and highlighting the company's strategic AI investments. The news points towards a bullish outlook, driven by factors such as strong user engagement, increased ad revenue, and promising AI-driven initiatives. Let's turn to the daily chart to visually represent Meta's recent performance. We see a clear upward trend, especially over the past few weeks, suggesting bullish momentum. Notice the significant price increase from around 300 to nearly 660. This remarkable surge indicates growing investor confidence. The daily chart showcases several key support and resistance levels that have held significance over the past few months. Now, let's zoom in on a more recent period and study the price behavior in more detail. We'll focus on the 1-hour chart to examine more short-term price fluctuations. Examining the 1-hour candlesticks, we see that recent upward movements have been quite dynamic, characterized by sharp increases and slight pullbacks. The 1-hour chart reveals various instances of short-term support and resistance levels, influencing the intraday price action. This high frequency of movements indicates that short-term traders might find multiple opportunities to execute trades in this time frame. Looking at the 15-minute chart provides further granularity to the price movements. We can identify potential entry and exit points with pinpoint accuracy. The 15-minute chart allows us to identify short-term price reversals and retracements. We can look for potential confirmation signals for these reversals, like a candlestick pattern or moving average crossover. Short-term traders can capitalize on these fluctuations for high-frequency trading. Comparing the three timeframes, 1 day, 1 hour, and 15-minute, provides a holistic understanding of Meta's price movement. Such an analysis helps us to determine which timeframe best suits our trading strategy and risk tolerance. We can observe the consistency of support and resistance levels across different timeframes, potentially strengthening our trading decisions. In summary, the current bullish sentiment surrounding Meta, reinforced by positive news and the overall upward trend observed across different timeframes, suggests that the price may continue to climb in the short term. However, it is crucial to keep an eye on potential resistance levels, which could trigger short-term profit-taking. Based on the chart data, we can see potential support levels around 600 and 620, while resistance might be seen near 660. The likelihood of these levels holding is moderate. However, any news or economic data regarding the social media sector could reinforce this forecast. In the long term, the company's strategic initiatives and focus on AI-driven innovations could propel Meta's price to even higher levels. Potential catalysts for this could be strong Q4 earnings results and positive regulatory updates. Nonetheless, it's advisable to monitor the broader market trends and global economic factors to better gauge the long-term outlook for Meta.